guys, Mark from Gunpla Network. Welcome to another video. This video is proudly sponsored by the awesome guys Mike and Lance from RoboCity.com.au. Please check out their website and remember that all prices are in Australian dollars. It's usually flashing up on our videos, but we've had an issue recently where some people just didn't realise that. So it's an Australian-based website, so the prices will be in Australian dollars. So thank you very much, and check out their website. Now, back to what we have here in front of us, another P Bandai. This will be my third P Bandai now, and I'm getting used to them. I see the reason for the line, and it's definitely this kit would be one of them. So what we have here is a high-grade Build Fighters. This is a strike variant, borrowed heavily from the Aile strike. Now, it's featured in the manga Gundam Build Fighters AR, which is amazing ready, as you can see here, the logo at the top. I'm actually reading this manga series at the moment. I'm 5 out of 12, I think, in, and it's pretty good. I mean, I'd be happy if this was made into an OVA, like a 6-part OVA or something. It'd be really, really good to see like a side story. Now, just a bit of background, the side story is actually Yuki Tatsuya, or Meijin Kawaguchi III, as a child, growing up, and how he got into Gunpla. Now, the owner of this kit, the Tall Strike Gundam Glitter, which no one knows about that name at the moment. I haven't gotten to that part why they call it the Glitter. I think it's something to do with the propulsion or the shoulder parts having a glittery particle effect. Otherwise, there is actually no glitter on this kit that I can see. Satsuki Toru is his childhood friend whom he meets and gets him into Gunpla and Gunpla Battle. So this is his mobile suit. Now, he always uses a strike variant, and this one is a variant of the Aile strike, which you'll see in some pictures. This kit didn't actually grab my attention. I remember the release coming and going very quickly. It was 2018, so it was just earlier this year, a few months ago, and I wasn't at all like, impressed by it. I just thought I'd grade another strike variant. But I was given the kit yesterday to review, and I thought, we'll check it out. And now as I read Amazing Ready and I am looking at this kit, I see the the appeal, and definitely worth being a P Bandai, because it is just a variant of all the strikes we've had before. So let's crack into it and unbox. So we can see standard P Bandai. It's the how do you say, chrome sort of one color over the box. It's a blue this time, and that's it. You've got a CGI image of the Tall Strike Gundam. We'll call it TSG for now. And then some art in the background there, some details. This is a 2018 kit. Now if we go around the box, we've got some website info, some English, which is: the Gunpla battle has been revived. At the same time, however, the shadowy power has also made a comeback. Build fighters, including Say Battle a New Game. Oh, that's the Gundam Battle Extra project, as well as Battle Log and GM's Counterattack. So that's what that's talking about there. Yeah, this is in Gunpla Build Extra Battle project. That's coming up. We don't know what that is yet. To date. There's just some more artwork on the side, telling you safety information from Bandai. 1800 yen release, but obviously that was P Bandai web shop initially, so getting this elsewhere now will attract the extra fees, because it is just more expensive when there's no P Bandai shop available to you, like here in Australia. And luckily we have shops like RoboCity. I'm hoping to get out of this box for reviews sometime in the next week. I've got some lamps now. I just need to find a good material that'll make a background for it. Let's unbox this bad boy. Now, I have opened it previously. That's why it's unlocked with the guide on top. Usually it wouldn't be the case. Okay, So you can see, similar to the box art on the front, except this is now in color instead of the chromium kind of look. We now have the fighter and a picture of the kit. It's the GAT-X105 TG for tall Gundam, I guess. 17.7 meters, 90.9 ton. A Gunpla that uses the Strike Gundam as its base, the tall has a literal meaning of highly exaggerated and great, as well as being a play on words of the name of its creator, Toru, who was originally known for being good at combining parts from 2 or more different kits, but decided to focus on enhancing the kits through original customization due to the influence of the Meijin, or Yuki Tetsuya. So the tall striker's most notable weapons are the glitter revs equipped on its shoulders. They are remote control weapons completed through the cooperation of Toru and the Meijin. Okay, so that's the shoulder parts of the glitter. So cool. And he's a childhood friend of, it's just saying, Tetsuya learned the excitement of Gunpla battles from him. The weapons named revs are a symbol of their friendship. Which, if you read the anime, it will explain all that for you. So on the back side here, we have the color guide, which is in part English, part Japanese, which is great now because everything after like 2016, I think we pretty much started getting English on all the guides. This is saying this is a build custom of the Aile Strike, talking about his battle style and some pictures, and you can see you've got the Aile Striker pack, mostly. This looks to have a lot of new parts. Chest, head, feet seem to be very different from the original. Now, if we look at the parts count, I see a few X's. There's probably a couple of new runners that would just, the R1, R2, only for this kit, S1. So yeah, and some stickers. Okay, so we'll start off, we'll do the body this time instead of the head. Okay, so we're going to go through the body. Then to the head, then the right arm, left arm, fairly basic construction. Then we got the right leg, top corner right, then we go left leg, then we do the waist over here, and then it says build 2 sets for the waist, which are the side skirts. It looks like it's got the standard hole underneath, compatible with ACB 5. 13 connected for Action Base 5 and HG Build Custom GP Base, which is the Build Fighters one, which is cool. And then we go in here for some color. This will be the there's the glitter revs for the shoulders, the backpack. If you've ever built the Aile Strike before, that's pretty basic. And there we go. That's looking pretty slick there. So weapons for this kit, there's no shield like you would get with the Aile Strike. You just get 2 short pistols, which are down here, and 2 beam sabers with beam saber effect parts. So that's pretty cool. That's actually one of the things I didn't know about this kit, but I have noticed, and I really look forward to doing. I like the Strike Noir, which has the 2 pistols, so this is a cool idea. Okay, let's take a look at the runners. Now, the A runner is typically, if I just get this box out of there, as typically is a white runner, and this just looks like a pure white, a lot of armor parts. Oh, actually it looks like we do get some parts for a shield, whether we actually use it or not, though I don't think we do according to the look of this kit. So that's the A. The B runner is red, which will be the feet and some of the Aile Striker backpack. The C, which is a grey, so this is going to be armor part, not armor, this is thrusters, vents, and like hands, frame parts, stuff like that. No D runner, we go straight to G, which is a little blue runner, which has got chest parts on it. Then we go to a little yellow runner, which is M, which looks like some vent or, the backpack vent parts. Then we go to a O runner, which is blue again. So this is going to be backpack and wing fin parts. Then we go P1 and P2, which a lot of these are saying 2018, so I might have almost a new kit here. Obviously there'll be some spares from the original. And this is a double up, which is going to be the rev parts, I imagine. The glitter rev parts. Q is actually double up again, and that is the pistols and weapons, holsters maybe. Not Q1, Q2, they're just Q, double up. R1 and R2 are more white parts, wings and fins, head, chest. R1 and R2. Now S1 is, what would S1 be? I think that's a head part, a little one piece red head part. Could have been on B, I guess, but don't know. S2 is the V fin and chest. Then SB-13, which is a standard kind of part, is beam saber effect parts. And then we have two. We have PC002 and PC123. Two little polycaps, so I doubt you have many spares out of that to add to the collection. And we have one sticker sheet. Yep, so cameras, some black, some yellow, face mask, and the red, which I think is going to go on the backpack, if I had to guess from the length and look of those, but I may not use those. I'm not a sticker fan, as we all know from what I've seen every review, but that's cool. So there it is, the Toll Strike Gundam Glitter. Alright guys, thanks very much for tuning into the unboxing. I'll endeavour to build and read the manga and get some more story for us to go with this this kit for my next go round on the review. So keep an eye out for the first look. Remember to check out robocity.com.au website, and not just kits, but they have limited edition kits, tools and paints. So check that out now. Alright guys, thanks, see ya.